Hey everybody, this is Randy Wildhorse, and I'm going to show all of you how to make a crock pot dinner. I hope you enjoy it. Here's my organic dinner. I'll show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use organic mini peppers, organic shallots. I'm going to use a chicken, mushrooms. I'm going to use mini cucumbers, baby carrots, red potatoes, chopped garlic. I usually buy it raw, but I couldn't find any, so I had to buy it in a jar. Red onions. I use olive oil, extra virgin, and this is excellent olive oil, Ritali. Here's all this stuff here I use to cook it. Spoon, thing to put onions in, knives, spoon, big thing here. The garlic, I spoon that in. Um, There's some of the tools I use to chop things. And this is the chicken that's hidden inside all of that to cook. And we'll cook it on high. Yeah, looks like it's done, ladies and gentlemen. So, it's on a plate. Yeah, olive oil soaks in nicely. Well, I'm going to try my crock pot dinner that I made. Mmm. Magnifique. Magnificent. And the olive oil really gives it flavor, you know. Oh, I forgot to, I know you're going to ask, how long do you have to cook this? Well, it took over 6 hours for sure, but always watch your crock pot carefully, you know, to time your meals and stuff. It's always best. So this is Randy, and